crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Oh, he did really well there. The defender's back on the ball. That's a crack. He's got a bit of composure to get that shot on target. Let's have a look at that one again. Forward from the keeper. What a well-timed tackle. Mbappe. Oh, look at that showboating. Mbappe. Good save. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Let's see what comes of this now. And it's opened up here. That one has gone out of play. Can he get a shot in? And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. And with the defender now, Hazard. They've won it back. Naismith. Naismith. The shot's on. Mbappe. It's the upright. That is a fantastic goal. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. And we're entering stoppage time now. So we're back at it's half time and a chance for the managers to have their say. So the referee blows a whistle and the second half is underway. Oh, determined challenge there. Mbappe. That's good link-up play. Pulls the trigger. Got under that a bit too much, I think. Let's see that one again. Referee very much in control of this game and he hasn't had to show a card. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Lovely passing here. The assistant's kept his... He goes for goal. He got a good hand behind that. Well, let's take another look at that. Oh, that's a really great chance here. He scored. His teammates joined him to start the celebrations. Great goal there. Well, let's have a look at that one again. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then, and the referee gets the game going again. Just looking to keep the ball. Played in field. They're not going easy on the opposition today, they're hungry for more. Sends it long. The defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break. It's with the striker. Mendes. Hazard. The shot's on. Hazard shoots. So close. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. They keep hammering the opposition in search of more goals. Forward from the keeper. Well read. Moving down the flanks here. Good ball. Nifty bit of footwork there. Defender then back on the ball. Surely they're on their way to winning the game. Referee pulls play back for an offside. Striker's ball. He's unstoppable. It's an opening here. at that. It's emphatic as they add yet another goal to their tally. It's 4-0. He loves to go past players with the ball. Great skill from this player. Great dribbling. He's so skillful on the ball. Mbappe. It's with the striker. Quality defending there. There's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today. Yep, no arguments there. Great performance from a player.